So, first rule, your hands need to be clean. So if you want to touch my toys or even me. Second rule, you have to be very gentle on my things so they don't break. Even if you're really strong, don't break it. Third rule, you have to like my things so you can touch them. Third rule, you even have to like me and my toys when I steal them to you. Fourth rule, and so you need to be your hands clean, even your hands need to, even your body needs to be not that strong like a gorilla. Fifth rule, don't take my toys or me. Sixth rule, just tell a grown-up, I'm going to tell a grown-up if you just break my things, I'll just take my toys away. Seventh rule, so if you want to touch me or my toys, then your hands have to be clean. Eighth rule, so sometimes you need to wash, but even if you wash your face, you could definitely touch my toys. Ninth rule, so even if you're 9 years old, you can even touch my toys. But if you're a little bit good, 10th rule, if you're good, you get my toys. And if you have a lot of money, you can buy my toys, but you can play with them. That's all my rules. Bye.